Hi, it's Natalie Ledwell here. Now, if this is your first time here, welcome, and make sure that you hit the subscribe button below and don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Now, I don't know about you, but I am fascinated by numerology and astrology readings. Well, why is that? Well, because anytime I receive insights about who I am and why I may behave the way that I do, I use this information to connect more with myself and others on a much deeper level, which is one of my life goals. But did you know that through numerology, you can also predict future events, situations, and opportunities? It's pretty cool, huh? Now, perhaps you've used numerology to uncover what your lucky number is or to find out what your birth date means. Yet numerology is also much more than that, especially when you combine it with the power of the law of attraction. Now, this can be your perfect secret weapon for creating more wealth and prosperity. And this is exactly what you'll be learning today. So, what is numerology? Well, numerology is the ancient science of numbers, with each number contributing a unique vibration to the story of your life. It is also a way to get to know your personality traits at a deeper level and discover your life path. Now, in addition, it's a surprisingly accurate method for determining what your strengths and limitations are when it comes to social relationships, career, and love. Now, another benefit is that it can also help you to realign with your dreams and aspirations. So in more detail, numerology helps you to, number one, get to know yourself better. A numerology reading can reveal great insights about your personality, why you make the choices that you do, and why you attract certain people, events, and situations into your life. So by deciphering your life path number, you can better understand why things happen to you and why you react the way that you do. Okay, number two is that it can strengthen your relationships. So do you ever need relationship advice? Well, numerology can help you discover what personality traits you should look for in a romantic relationship, in business partners, in friends, and co-workers to ensure successful relationships. Number three, deciphering signs from the universe. So do you see repeated numbers following you over and over again on signs, on price tags, even on your movie ticket and your hotel room number? Now, many people believe that this is not a coincidence, but rather it's the universe's mysterious way of trying to tell you something. So how do you combine numerology with the law of attraction? Well, there's a lot of misconception when it comes to combining these two forces. Now, many people think that they are the complete opposite. In fact, many people think that it's okay to leave everything to a higher power or source or karma and then just sit back and watch. But in reality, they're missing out on big opportunities in life. Then on the other hand, there are people who believe that they are the creators of their own destiny without acknowledging the universe's higher power at all. Now, as you can see, neither sides are taking full advantage of the amazing opportunities that these two forces have to offer. And this is exactly why it's so important to combine the law of attraction and numerology. Now, the law of attraction is the force that speeds up your success, while numerology guides you in the direction of your ideal life. So when combined with the universal law of attraction, numerology will uncover your destiny and your life purpose, and the law of attraction can help you to fulfill it. So where numerology will uncover your life lessons and challenges, the law of attraction can help you to overcome them. And where numerology will uncover your greatest potential, the law of attraction can help you to manifest it. Okay, so one good example. Do you keep seeing the same number over and over, like on signs and price tags, even on your movie ticket or your hotel room number? Well, this is not a coincidence. In fact, this is exactly a sign that the law of attraction is working in your favor. So if you'd like to find out what these numbers mean, then look out for the second part of this video next Wednesday. Now, before I go, I'd love to hear from you. Please comment below if you have about your experiences with numerology and the law of attraction. And don't forget to subscribe to the My Movies YouTube channel for more videos on personal growth and the law of attraction. Again, my name is Natalie Ledwell, and thank you for watching.